Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ABML, ADHC, AVVH, ENZC, GMER, HCMC, MJWL, NSAV, RGBP and RGBPP, RSHN, SANP, WARM, WKSP, and APTY and GOFF. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 6 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Just enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, simply enter 1 plus your area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And this is the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we do text-only alerts. If something hot comes across our desk, this way we can get something out to our subscribers as fast as possible, and text messaging works the fastest. With that out of the way, let's dive in. Now, the stocks we're going to be covering, except for APTY and GOFF, they've all been covered on InsiderFinancial.com. You simply go over to this magnifying glass, type in the symbol, and it will all come up. So we're going to recap some past winners and take a look at the charts and what my assessment is. First up is ABML. For those of you that have been watching my videos know that I'm a big fan of the 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages. If you look at ABML on the last sell-off, it came right to the 200-day, which held at $1. And those that bought off that critical support level are now up. This stock has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows. If you look at this, it ran from $1 to $2, pulled back to $1.50, ran to $2.50, pulled back to $2, and now we're back making our way to $2.50. Next target looks to be $3, and after that, $4. So I liked really the way ABML is trading. The company is also in the process of uplisting to NASDAQ. So this is one that definitely you should have on your radar. ADHC, this is another big runner. It has a history of huge moves. This one came back right to the 200-day at 0.005, and it's been a nice steady climber. Guys, I know a lot of you really like these explosive moves, these 100, 200, 300% gains overnight. We all do. But for your buy and holds, you want to see these nice slow accumulation move higher. This means that it's the accumulation phase. Smart money has been buying, on the bid, accumulating, and just getting ready for next explosive move higher. So we just crossed the 50-day of 0.011394. This one looks like it's set up to make another move higher. AVVH, this is one we covered last week. You can go over here. It's on the home page. Actually, this was 2 weeks ago. We talked about this. Four OTC stocks poised to boom. AVVH. We talked about this the beginning of June, and boy, this has just been a nice runner here. So we're near the highs. So this one we close above 09. It looks like it's going to break out. So this has been a really nice winner for Insider Financial subscribers. And remember, subscribers get first look before regular readers. So what we do is we alert our subscribers with the email or SMS with our full report, and then depending on our publishing schedule, we go live for our regular readers a few days or a few weeks later. So you definitely don't want to be missing out on a lot of these hot runners. That's why it's best to go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com and get on board. ENZC, speaking of when I said nice steady climber, this has been a textbook. It's at 27 cents, consolidating nicely here right under the 30-cent level. This is one that my colleague Chris Sandberg, he's one of the top biotech analysts when it comes to small caps. He talked about this one last month. It was went into detail about the collaboration with Intel. His article came out right at about the 11-cent level. So we basically he caught the low here on this dip, and it's just been a nice, a lot of accumulation and a nice steady climber. And we have a history of with ENZC. You go over here, you type it in, and you can see where we've been. Right all along with when it comes to ENZC. We said back in October, ENZC and Bioclonetics, a perfect merger. You go back here to October, and this one that day was at 0.014. Ran to almost $1, so this has been a great winner for Insider Financial subscribers, and we still think we're very bullish on this one, and we still think new highs are coming later in the year. There's a lot of catalysts lining up for ENZC. One of the big followers that we follow on Twitter, Yates Investing, he's been really pushing this one on Twitter. He has over 200,000 followers. He's definitely someone worth listening to. It's Yates Investing on Twitter, YATES Investing. GMER, this is one that we have talked about for our subscribers. Guys, this is a classic example of why you want to be booking profits. So, I tell my subscribers constantly, guys, you get these runners, take money off the table, please. GMER is a classic example. Look at how this one has retraced. The move here started last month. It opened at 3 cents, ran all the way to 18 cents, topped out here, and it's pulled all the way back to 7 cents. So, when you get these topping out formations, this is a classic topping formation here, you want to get out, because once it starts falling, everyone, it's a rush out the exits. So, this is a classic example, but it pulled right back to the 20-day of 0.068, and we're finding support here. So learn to use the moving averages, learn to use the even numbers, 1 cent, 10 cent, $1. These are critical levels that a lot of traders are watching. So you definitely want to be paying attention to the moving averages and basic chart price levels. I'm a big fan of keep it simple, stupid, and that's really what you want to do. Now you notice I'm basically for these weekend videos, what I like to do, it's basically just going through the charts. I'm not going to get into a lot of the fundamentals. The fundamentals, they're all on the site. So you just go and read the articles. It saves you and me time when it comes to going through these names. So anything you like here, please go and check out the site and do your homework there, because it's all there. HCMC, we're hearing rumors that there's going to be a lawsuit either settled or a verdict possibly next month. So this one here could really explode higher, and we've gone into great details on this one. My colleague did a deep dive on this one last week. HCMC stock, one of the best bets on the OTC. This came out last month, so you're definitely going to want to go check that out. What else we got here? Oh, MJWL trading up near the highs. This is one that we've been a big runner for our subscribers. Got in under a penny. We got another deep dive coming out this weekend with new info on MJWL. We really think this one has a lot of potential. Again, you're definitely going to want to check this new coverage out. But congrats to all that are in MJWL, and this one looks to be setting up for another move higher. NSAV, this pulled right back to the 200-day of 0.008. You see it found the support here. This one is definitely one you're going to want to take a look at. This could be a nice bottom bounce play. RGBP found support here at what was that? 0.012. We're up to the 0.02 level. We still really like RGBP and the preferred stock. Some guys are playing with the preferred. We've discussed this at length, the difference between the preferred and the common. It's really your preference, So again, go over here and you can take a look at what we've said about RGBP and do your own homework, guys. I'm one resource. Insider Financial, we give you a lot of information here. When you sign up, you get a free ebook on penny stocks. But in the end, it all comes down to you. You have to do your own decisions, make your own investment choices, because it's your responsibility to put food on the table for you and your family. So it's about understanding your risk tolerance, your style of trading. I'm not like when it comes to trading, I'm not a day trader. I don't like the intraday moves of the markets. I'm much more of a swing trader. So I'm looking for stocks that will play out to from a couple days to a couple weeks to a couple months. So that's my time frame. That's what I have found works best for me. You need to find out what works best for you. RSHN, another big runner last week, consolidating right here at the 0.005 level. This one is definitely looking like it's flagging and going to set up for another move higher. So this one certainly looks interesting. SANP, we've not talked about this one in a long time, but this is one we've covered at length. It looks to have finally bottomed, making a move back up the charts. Came down to the 20 and the 200-day of 0.003 and found support, and it's making a nice move back higher. WARM came down just above the 200-day, found support at the 0.04 level. It's back up just at right around 0.08. This one is certainly looking interesting. It's now above the 20 and the 50-day. So this one's climbing back up, looking set to make new highs shortly. WKSP, this is one my colleague discussed the other day. Came out with an article on that. 4 OTC stocks getting ready to boom. WKSP is one of those. I suggest you go over and check that out. And this is what they're working on. You can take a look at their truck The image is loading slowly, so it's definitely interesting solar EV recharging play. So definitely interesting what they're doing with pickup trucks. Two that we're going to be doing a deep dive on this week is APTY, big runner last week, so becoming for regular readers. Subscribers already got that earlier this week. So explosive moves on Thursday and Friday from 0.004 to just under a penny. So nice mover here. GOFF, another nice mover here. Really like how this one, these charts, exploded higher here. So GOFF will be coming with a deep dive for our regular readers this week. Overall, action in the OTC, but not spectacular. Where the money was made this week was in the meme stocks from the Wall Street Bets crowd, and plays on NASDAQ and NYSE. I'll be doing a video tomorrow going over the deep dives, what's happening with the Reddit stocks, and more info there. So it's important, folks, to, we mostly cover OTC, but, go where the money is. And there's times where crypto is really hot. Crypto's sort of in a bear market right now. It's not that hot. OTC is a mixed bag, but the meme stocks providing a lot of opportunities. So definitely, play all markets, be nimble, and there's plenty of opportunities, and these are the things that we try and help our subscribers with at insiderfinancial.com. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your mobile number, and the best part is that it's free. I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and hit that subscribe button, and subscribe to insiderfinancial.com. This way you get all our alerts, and get the video tomorrow where I go over the Reddit stocks. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend, and chat soon. Bye-bye.